Today, I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube channel to Whop step by step, and I'll also show you how to finish the verification cleanly so your channel stays organized afterward. This is a simple process, but if you've never connected a YouTube channel to Whop before, it can be confusing the first time. So in this video, I'll walk you through everything in plain English, from finding the connected account section inside Whop, to generating the verification code, to pasting it into your YouTube Studio description, and finally verifying the connection. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, head over to whop.com and log into your account. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. That opens your account menu. In that drop-down, you'll see a small gear icon right next to your username. Click that gear icon to open your settings. On the left side of the settings page, find and click Connected Accounts. This is where Whop lets you connect different platforms to your account. Now you're in the right place to start the YouTube verification process. On the Connected Accounts page, scroll through the integration options until you find YouTube. When you see it, click the Add button or the plus icon next to it. Whop will then ask you to provide your channel identity. In the text field, type your main YouTube channel URL or your custom handle, like at your handle, depending on what your account uses. Make sure this is accurate because Whop needs to match the correct channel. After you enter that information, Whop will generate a unique 6-digit verification code. Copy that code exactly as shown. Do not change any numbers and do not add extra spaces. This code is what Whop uses to confirm that you control the YouTube channel. Next, open a new browser tab and go to studio.youtube.com. Make sure you are signed into the correct creator account, especially if you manage more than one YouTube channel. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Customization. Then go to the Basic Info tab at the top. On this page, scroll down until you find your channel's main description box. This is where you'll paste the 6-digit verification code that Whop gave you. You can place it anywhere inside the description area, as long as it's included in the text. After you paste the code, go to the top right corner of YouTube Studio and click Publish. This step is important because the code needs to be publicly visible for Whop to detect it. Once the publish process is complete, your updated channel description will be live. Now go back to your Whop tab and click the Verify button. Whop will scan your YouTube channel description and look for that 6-digit code. If everything was pasted correctly and the right channel is connected, Whop should map the channel to your profile successfully. If it doesn't verify right away, double-check that you publish the changes in YouTube Studio and that the code is still visible in the description. Once the channel has been successfully linked, you can return to YouTube Studio and remove the 6-digit code from your description if you want to keep your bio clean. Just remember to publish again after deleting it so the change takes effect. And that's it! Your YouTube channel is now linked to Whop. As you can see, the process is really just a few simple steps. Open connected accounts in Whop, generate the code, paste it into your YouTube Studio description, publish and verify. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.